they call the long beans. There's two varieties in here. One is Turkish, the other one is from Taiwan. They make great salad. Look at them. They're hiding. You see any more? Oh, I see one more here. Oh, on the other side there's more. Right here. Oh, that is pretty long too.
Oh, yeah.
Do you see more?
Yes, I do. I think. No, that's not one. Let me see. Can I find any? Oh, I found a long bean.
Where?
No, that's not it.
I think I'm going to pick this one up too, because if I don't for the next time, it's too big.
There's so many beans. I don't know. There's so many things that look like beans.
That's funny.
Beans.
You know, we had different kinds of beans, but they didn't produce anything yet. But these grow so fast.
Yeah, they do.
They're taking over everything, which is amazing.
Whoa. He's hiding.
They are hiding, aren't they?
Where are you? I see no beans yet. Beans. I won't find any beans. No beans. Where is it? Oh, that's a bean.
Where?
The growing bean.
Where?
It's
Yeah, that's
growing bean.
too small.
Too small.
You know, every time you
Oh! No,
see a flower, it means it's going to be a bean
I
later.
found a bean.
You see? Oh my God, you sure did. Oh, look. Yeah, that's where it needs to be. There you go. Good job, Jace.
Oh, I found one.
There's another one on the... Oh, wow, that is a huge one, Jace. Good job.
I'm like, I see something right there.
How did we miss that? You got it? Oh, you can get that other one too. Oh, that's okay. Put it. There you go. Good job.
Where's that one?
On this side.
Where?
Be careful though. Look.
Where?
I'm gonna show you with the camera. Right there. Watch out for snakes and things around
There's
here
two
too.
beans.
Yes, get both of them. Oh, there's another one on top of that.
Oh, yeah, up there. Up there.
Yeah, you
Right?
can get it from the other side if you want.
Yeah, it's gonna be easier.
Mm-hmm.
Beans in the bowl. Where is it again? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, you can climb up if you want.
I'm trying not to because I don't want to break it.
It's pretty strong. Me and Daddy built it. There's another one right there. Look.
Oh,
No, not
there's
the little
growing
one.
beans though.
Right here. This one.
Oh, yeah. You're good at finding these things. Oh. No, that's not one. No. They're hidden though.
They are, aren't they?
That and
Do I see another one?
I see a little baby one.
Let's leave the later babies for later.
You see that little baby one right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. See that? Yeah. Oh, see no more beans.
I do, but they're small.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Like good.
Ooh, this pepper is perfect. Jace, come pick this.
What pepper?
That one is perfect. You see?
Oh.
The other ones, yes, I see them too.
Where?
The ball, I set it up there.
Where?
On that corner. Here, I'll put it.
Oh, wait. Where are they? Oh, right here. Look at all of them.
Yes.
We could pick some of them.
Yeah. The biggest, longest ones you can.
We got a couple.
I
Oh,
dare
look at
you to try it to see if it's spicy.
Is it?
I dare you.
Okay, I'll try one.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna put
Which one?
water hose.
Okay, hold on. I want to see your face. All right.
I don't eat peppers.
I know.
I don't eat peppers.
All right, let me see.
Ha.
Hot?
Yes.
It is
You
not.
want it? You don't eat most.
Mm.
I want water.
That is not hot, silly.
I don't care.
Hey, good job trying it.
That's hot water.
Yes, that water is hot. I think that's it, huh? Well, we just picked these beans up just maybe 2 minutes ago with my son Jace, and I am making a quick salad, and all I'm doing is just breaking them approximately 4 inches or so, and I'm gonna put water in it and boil it, a little bit of salt. Once they are almost translucent, I'll drain it and put it to cool off. I still like a little bit of crunch, so I don't cook it all the way, but it's almost cooked. So we're just gonna put enough water to cover it, almost like we're doing pasta.
Yeah.
You wanna do that part?
No. I don't know.
Okay, all it is, just turn on the water, let it fill. Kind of like how we do pasta, and that's it.
Okay.
It's just gonna boil for a little bit, and we're gonna put salt in it too.
Okay.
Now.
We're putting it on the stove?
Yeah,
Okay.
I turned it on high, and a little bit of the bean flour right there. Okay. And then mix it up a little bit. Do you want to help me do the peach marmalade?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. They just got done boiling, and they're kind of soft, but they're not completely cooked. They have that little crunch to it. And they've been cooling. And I made this sauce. It's just lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, and garlic. It smells amazing. I think it's a little bit too strong for
Can I smell?
kids.
Can
You want to smell? Yeah, hold on. Here, smell the. It does it not smell strong?
Yeah, it smells pretty good.
It
Not that
does?
strong.
You want to try it?
I guess.
All right. Moment of truth.
Actually good.
You like it? I'm impressed that you like it because that is pretty strong garlic.
No, it's not strong. It's not strong to me.
I'm glad. Well, you like beans, though, right? Yeah.